Okay, this is my improvement video for the week. These are our miscellaneous order forms, and these are the things we put together on each of the projects so that people know all the miscellaneous stuff they have to buy. Fasteners, gaskets, blocks, shims, all that kind of stuff. So the issue with this one was, and I was working with Mahari, is when you go to process this form, when it goes to purchasing, you have to literally go in and write a manual purchase order for each of these items. So for every tab, you're writing an individual requisition. Then you have to bring that into VAM. And then the other problem we had is when you went to have a long, some of these things are fairly long in terms of the descriptions. So if you got a really long description like this, it would cut it off halfway through the sentence. So Mahari was having to actually type this whole thing in. So she wasn't just, importing this into the portal or something. She was literally typing all this stuff in. So we thought, there might be a way to make that better, make that easier, maybe a little 2-second improvement, actually a lot more than 2 seconds. So what we did is we created a macro now that you can go in and you can actually process each one of these tabs automatically. So once you complete this process of getting these forms all up to date with the price and everything like that, you're going to run this Add POs button, which is going to pop up this dialog box. You enter the project manager, which shop the shop use material is shipping to, your tax rate, your shop due date, and your field due date. And when you hit OK, it's going to actually make all of those purchase order requests for you and create a VAM file that will automatically split these lines up into multiple lines so that you don't lose any information. So from taking this from having to make all of these files and then typing all this stuff into VAM, you can now just hit this button, it makes all the files for you, and you can import all the data into VAM automatically. So that's our improvement this week. We worked on that for the last several weeks. Thank you, Mahari, for all your help, and came out really nice. Thank you very much.